Hi, future Wildcats. Now that you've successfully activated your student portal account, we're going to walk you through the process of checking on your application status. To access the portal, start at Chico State's home page at csuchico.edu. Select Portal, and you will be taken to the login screen. Select Sign In and log in with your Chico State username and password. You will be taken to the portal homepage. Next, select Student Center. This will redirect you to your Student Center dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side of the screen, select the Admissions drop-down menu. There are two sections under Admissions: Application Status and Accept or Decline Admissions. First, select Application Status to view your application. To view more detailed information about your application, you can toggle the drop-down menu. Your application status is located on the right. At the bottom of your application information, there is a link to your to-do list. This list contains actions you will need to complete. You can either select the link from this page or go to the Tasks drop-down menu on the left and select To-Dos. Also located in the Tasks menu is the Holds list. The Holds list contains information about holds placed on your account. To remove a hold, complete the instructions under each item, or call the associated office if you have questions. The hold on this account is an admissions hold, which was placed because this student has not yet paid their enrollment confirmation deposit. To remove this hold, the student will simply need to pay this deposit. Please refer to our video on how to accept or decline admissions for more information about the enrollment confirmation deposit. If you have any questions or difficulties at all, please feel free to reach out to the admissions office. We'll be happy to assist you in any way we can.